What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do how to make an outline with an image in Photoshop. I'm going to be doing a lot of Photoshop videos, so comment down below if you like those type of videos. I know I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, some new active viewers off of my tutorials on Photoshop. So the people who knew about my basketball stuff, just comment down below if you want basketball videos too, or just Photoshop tutorials. So for now, that's what it's gonna be because that's what the people seem to like. So yeah. Okay, so I accidentally opened this twice. So basically, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna find an image first, obviously, and so I'm just gonna look through my images here. So it's best to find an image if you're going to highlight something, especially if you want it to be your background picture. You want to make sure the background of the image, like say for example I took a screenshot of this, right? You want to get the background out of it, and you can edit that in Photoshop. I can show you how to do that for future videos, but basically, so for example, this picture, actually no, actually I'll do this picture right here. So this picture right here, as you can see, I've already edited the background out of it. This picture it's funny, it's actually taken here. So I edited the background out of it, and so the background is originally this wall. So yeah, that's the first portion. So the reason why, part of the reason why I'm making this video is because I've been seeing it in a lot of YouTube thumbnails. Like the big YouTubers always have like highlighted things. So first off, I'm gonna make the background a different color. So if you guys don't know how to do that, you would go here into the background tab and you would go to color. You can change the color up here. So I'm gonna make it let's make it neon green. So you're gonna hit this, as you can see, and boom, I can change the color right there. So cool, that's cool. All right, so now if I want to like put highlighting around me, I would right click here. You're gonna go to blending options, and in your blending options there's going to be this option called stroke. You're gonna hit stroke, and as you guys can see there, it highlighted it for me. It does look a little whack. It does look not whack, like a little thick, you know what I'm saying? So if I can reduce the opacity here, so that basically just there's a bunch of effects you can do. That's why Photoshop is just so cool. You got like a broadening of like a lot of different stuff. So let me go back. I can show you guys some more stuff. So if you go into blending options, obviously you guys saw there that I just changed it there. All right, so you can change the color here. So say I want it to be baby blue. Hold up 1 second. So what you have to do first, you have to do that. So you can change the color here to anything you want. So it'll go from any, so currently it's white, and then you can change it to any color you want. I like to keep mine at white usually, but you know, comment down below if you use this at all. Also, share this with your friends, and you know, comment down below if you want me to keep doing these type of videos, because personally I love doing these videos. And yeah, that's that. So that's just how to highlight any type of picture. Also, like as I already said, you're gonna have to most likely remove the background, which I can show you in a future video. But for now, that is it. Make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we are out. Peace.